What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best gaming phones in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say look no further than the Xiaomi Black Shark 4, the best value gaming phone in 2022. Less aesthetically striking than the previous generations, Black Shark 4 retains its bigger looks with a glossy back cover that reveals a smooth texture, creating a play of light. Additionally, this model's power button integrates a fingerprint sensor, well positioned at a thumb distance to be immediately ready to unlock the smartphone. On the other side of the frame, we find slots for 2 SIM cards and volume control with a microphone to reduce ambient noise. At the top and bottom of the case, we find 2 stereo speakers, a USB Type-C port, a slot for a 3.5mm audio jack, as well as another microphone to reduce ambient noise. The Xiaomi Black Shark 4 highlight is undoubtedly the screen. We are looking at a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED HDR10 Plus screen, which combined with the Adreno 650 GPU and Snapdragon 870 allows you to enjoy your favorite content at refresh rates up to 144 Hz. Black Shark has enriched its playing field with gaming accessories, such as a professional controller and wired headphones. For all you epic gamers out there, the device utilizes a fast charger that loads up the battery to the max in just 17 minutes. Also included in the mix is an RGB Fun Cooler 2 Pro that allows you to cool the device during intense gaming sessions. Although this phone is focused on gamers, we must also mention the cameras. The Black Shark 4 has 3 rear cameras, a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. On the selfie side, we find a 20-megapixel front camera. This model still allows you to record videos in 4K resolution up to 60 FPS, but gives the best results in 1080p because the focus reacts more reactively to this resolution. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product we'll talk about is Nubia RedMagic 7, also known as the best display gaming phone available on the market in 2022. Following in the footsteps of its predecessor, Nubia's latest game-oriented phone combines sleek design with incredible hardware. The RedMagic 7 has a 6.8-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 165 Hz, almost the highest we've seen on any smartphone. In addition, the screen offers 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut and a maximum brightness of 700 nits. The panel is identical to last year's model, but Nubia says it now offers a higher touch sampling rate of 720 Hz and offers a more stable frame rate thanks to the new 2.0 Magic GPU image enhancement system. Under the hood, RedMagic 7 has the latest and greatest technology from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 256 UFS flash memory. The camera settings have not changed compared to RedMagic 6. You get a 64-megapixel main cam, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. In addition, Nubia says the phone has an improved cooling system that increases air volume by 35% and offers 400 times faster heat dissipation and absorption. The RedMagic 7 also has double shutter buttons on the shoulder for an enhanced gaming experience. When it comes to charging, the phone has a 4500 mAh battery. Other notable features of the RedMagic 7 include a fingerprint scanner under the screen, a 3.5mm audio jack, NFC, 2 stereo speakers, 3 microphones, Bluetooth 5.2, and Wi-Fi 6. Finally, the phone runs on Android 12 ready to use. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. For all you Apple fans out there, we say check out the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the company's best gaming phone available on the market in 2022. Advances in the camera system begin with a larger sensor and a brighter lens. The ultra-wide module also has a lighter lens with autofocus, the first for an ultra-wide iPhone. Then there's the telephoto lens, which now offers up to 3 times improved range, but with a slightly darker lens. Paying homage to market trends, Apple has equipped 13 Pro and Pro Max screens of 120 Hz with ProMotion. The 120 Hz screen will be great for playing games, which avid players especially appreciate. The device is capable of variable refresh rates up to 10 Hz to conserve battery life. This contributes to an already impressive set of screen features, including support for Dolby Vision, rich brightness, and excellent color reproduction. The large 6.7-inch screen now reaches a maximum brightness of 1,000 nits outdoors, 25% more than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This phone has the longest battery life of any iPhone, an amazing 18 hours of video playback in our standard test. It is 2.5 hours longer than the iPhone 12 Pro Max and 3 hours longer than the standard iPhone 13. In practice, this means that it is quite possible to get 2 days of battery life here. This model also has different charging options, although they haven't changed much since the iPhone 12. The phone doesn't come with a power adapter in the box, so you'll need to get a 20-watt USB-C adapter for a quick charge connection. It also supports 15-watt Apple MagSafe wireless charging and 7.5-volt QI wireless charging. The iPhone 13 Pro Max uses Apple's A15 processor with 6 GB of RAM, unlike the standard iPhone 13 with 4 GB of RAM. All in all, the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max is a monster for mobile gaming, about 55% faster than the outgoing iPhone 12 Pro, which is really impressive. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. The next product we'll talk about is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, the best Android gaming phone available on the market in 2022. This model stands out for integrating Qualcomm's most powerful processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and the new AMOLED 6.6-inch screen with full HD Plus resolution. It is also important to note that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus processor is accompanied by 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage space. Another deciding factor for video games is the battery, which on this model has a capacity of 4,500 mAh. FPS and speed are super smooth in most games, and the graphics, shadows, and lights look stunning. As for the sound, Dolby Atmos continues to deliver the goods, improving the treble and bass. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus features a 50-megapixel main lens, plus an ultra-wide-angle 12-megapixel lens and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In addition to games, this phone has other advantages that we must point out. From the front, that 10-megapixel camera we've just mentioned is a definite highlight, especially for users who want to make videos for TikTok or another series of video-focused platforms. The S22 Plus camera delivers top-notch results in daytime photography. The portrait mode on the front comes in very handy, and it's able to blur the entire background without any problems or artifacts. Also, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus has a more compact touch and is easier to handle. Under the hood, we'll find the new Exynos 2200 chip, which facilitates a graphics performance boost. Finally, the design is highly elegant. This Android mobile phone will attract the attention of friends and colleagues and make it clear that it's not necessary to have a phone with the largest screen in order to pack great potential inside. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. And now, we present the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall gaming phone available on the market in 2022. And the winner is the Asus ROG Phone 5S. We are looking at a top-notch gaming phone that provides a great player experience with its air triggers, all to meet the needs of even the most professional players. With its 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal memory, this device becomes a mobile phone that delivers quality on all fronts. But other details are not missing. And apart from being used for playing games, the 5S is also superior in terms of everyday performance as an Android mobile device. We should point out its battery autonomy. If we enter this special game mode, also known as the X mode, we'll be able to enjoy a few hours more screen time. The device features a 6.78-inch E4 AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of 144 Hz for the most demanding gamers. This model clearly stands out, although it still remains at FHD Plus resolution. With 16 GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 888 Plus chip, which is already ready to replace the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, the ROG Phone 5S is a mobile master in terms of performance. The internal storage memory reaches 512 GB, more than enough to install all the games we want and enjoy your favorite Android titles. Among other factors that we liked with this Android mobile phone is the way the photos don't oversaturate the shots. The device has a very good selfie camera in night mode and is able to offer very good results. Finally, in terms of selfies, and thanks to its camera of 24 megapixels, the 5S puts a finishing touch to high-definition photos that are hard to distinguish if we took them with the main camera. The same thing happens with dark environments where it also shines clearly. Overall, this product delivers a premium gaming performance, cool looks and design, all at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.